Hello everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Corner. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you exercise in the morning? Yes, I go for a jog every morning. What do you usually have for breakfast? I usually have cereal and fruit. How do you get to work? I take the bus to work. What time do you start work? I start work at 9 a.m. Do you have a lunch break at work? Yes, I have a lunch break at 1 p.m. What do you usually eat for lunch? I usually eat a sandwich and a salad. What time do you finish work? I finish work at 5 p.m. Do you go straight home after work? Sometimes I go to the gym. What time do you get home? I usually get home around 6:30 p.m. Do you cook dinner at home? Yes, I like to cook dinner. What do you usually have for dinner? I usually have rice, vegetables, and chicken. Do you watch TV in the evening? Yes, I watch TV after dinner. Do you read books before bed? Yes, I like to read books before bed. What kind of books do you like to read? I like to read fiction and mystery novels. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m. Do you set an alarm to wake up? Yes, I set an alarm for 6 a.m. Do you check your phone first thing in the morning? Yes, I check my phone for messages and emails. Do you drink coffee in the morning? Yes, I drink a cup of coffee every morning. Do you pack your lunch for work? Yes, I usually pack my lunch. Do you have any meetings at work today? Yes, I have a meeting at 11 a.m. Do you work out in the evening? Yes, I go to the gym after work. What do you usually do on weekends? I usually relax and spend time with family. Do you go grocery shopping during the week? Yes, I usually go on Wednesdays. Do you do any chores around the house? Yes, I do laundry and clean the house on weekends. Do you have a hobby you enjoy? Yes, I enjoy painting in my free time. Do you drink water as soon as you wake up? Yes, I drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. Do you check your emails first thing at work? Yes, I check my emails as soon as I get to work. Do you have any hobbies after work? Yes, I enjoy playing guitar in the evening. Do you spend time with your family after work? Yes, we have dinner together and talk about our day. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I love trying new recipes. Do you meditate or do yoga? I do yoga in the morning. Do you call your friends or family members often? Yes, I call my parents every evening. Do you use social media often? Yes, I check social media a few times a day. Do you attend any classes or workshops? I attend an online photography class on weekends. Do you volunteer anywhere? Yes, I volunteer at a local animal shelter on Saturdays. Do you have any plants at home? Yes, I have a few indoor plants that I take care of. Do you watch the news regularly? Yes, I watch the news every morning to stay updated. Do you follow a specific diet? Yes, I follow a vegetarian diet. Do you like to bake? Yes, I enjoy baking cookies and cakes. Do you write a journal? Yes, I write in my journal every night before bed. Do you take naps during the day? Yes, I take a short nap on weekends. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play basketball with friends on weekends. Do you visit your friends often? Yes, I visit my friends every weekend. Do you enjoy gardening? Yes, I love spending time in my garden. Do you take any online courses? Yes, I'm currently taking an online course in digital marketing. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much.